Welcome back. This is Ralph, and in this video I'm going to be talking a little bit more about the virtual postcard option that we get with the Power Lead system. And specifically what I'll be talking about is how to create your own video virtual postcards from scratch and send them to either your prospects, potential clients, or members of your team. And it's actually pretty easy to do. And I love the idea of being able to send out video postcards to people on my list to share information, because the virtual postcard option makes this super easy. Now, in order to do this, let's go to, first of all, we have to go to the email text option. Just hover over that and then go down to extra features and then go on down to virtual postcards. Now, once there, click on that and that'll take you to the virtual postcard option. Now, send audio or video postcards. Now, if you want to go ahead and make your own virtual postcard, that's pretty easy to do. Just go down here to option 3 to make a new postcard, create a title, and then click the add button. So let's say we want to just give it a title like video postcard, and we can go ahead and change that later and just click add. And now that takes us to the editor, and here we're all set to create our own video postcard from scratch. Now we have to add some main content. So in order to add main content, we have to go down over here to the main content option, click on that, go down to the edit, click edit, and we need to get rid of that little tidbit there. And then to add your own video, if all you want to do is just add a video to this postcard and then send that out to your list, first of all, we're going to have to click on source, and then you need to find a video. So for me, what I thought I'd do is just go down to this video I made yesterday, how to send virtual postcards. So click on that and wait for it to come up. We're on a slow rule. In this video, internet connection here. And once you find your video, just go ahead and click, the share box. And then go up here and click on the embed. We'll be using the embed link for this. And then go down below here, make sure that your embed options are the way you want them. I like showing the player controls, and all that looks good to me. So we're going to click on the embed code, go ahead and copy, and then take that on back to the video editor and paste. And there we go. Now, let's see what we got so far. Save changes. Now, so far, you see that if you use the standard embed code without altering it, your video is going to be shown, and it's going to be shown a little bit oversized. You see how that takes up quite a bit of the space on this video postcard. Now, if you like that, you can keep it that way. If you want to reduce it down, then yeah, you can just go back over to edit and click on source, and that gives you the source code. And then scroll, not really scroll, but just kind of move the bar over here and see where the proper coding is. Here it is. Under width equals 560. Now that's the standard embed size. Now if you want to reduce it down to the perfect size for the video postcard, you need to change this figure from 560 to 400. So that's what I'm going to do in this tutorial. is just change that to 400 and then click Save again. And see how that reduces that video size. Now, it all depends on what you want. If you kind of like the larger video, you can go that way, just leave it as is, or just go ahead and make that one simple edit and reduce it down. Now, what about your link? Here we can click this. We're in the edit mode still, so we can click on this, and this is how we edit what link we're sending people to. Now you can change the message here. Click here to visit my website so you can start enjoying life. I'm going to change that around. Click here to visit my, and I'm going to make that recommended income stream. And there we go. And yeah, you can just mix this up any way you like. Put this in your own words, be speaking in your own voice. And if you're sharing your own videos, then obviously, yeah, you're going to be speaking in your own voice. Now, down here on step 2, where do you want your prospects to go when clicking on the text link? Right now, it's on an outside website, external website. And using this option, you can direct them anywhere on the internet you would like them to go. Just paste in the internet address here, and they'll go to that web page. Now, what I want to do with this one, I'm going to use a different option. I want to be talking about the pay plan, as we got a new pay plan with Power Lead System. I kind of like what they've done with it, so let's find it here. Power Blog. Here it is. Pay Plan Sales Page. That's the one that I'm going to be using. And of course, you've got the option to use everything, anything or everything here. Anything. You can't do everything at once, but yeah, you can pick out anything here that speaks to you. But I'm just going to use this Pay Plan Sales Page, and then click Save Images or Save Changes. And so there I've got my video set up, done very easily. I've got my outside links set up right here where people can click on that and go to my link that I want them to go to. What say you want to change this stamp? Well, you can do that. You've got a lot of stamps here to choose from. You can do something old-fashioned, something a little more, contemporary, an Australian stamp, flag, USA, old-fashioned stamp there, Canada. Let's just go with this one right here. Just do an airplane. And there, we've got that done, and all we have to do is just click the X, and there we've changed our stamp. Now, what about this background color? Because for me, when I get a virtual postcard and I see a sea of black, that doesn't really speak to me, so let's change the page color. And if we want to change that, let's change it from black to red. So we just kind of... Excuse me. I want to bring that back up there. And then we're going to do this and change that over there. And you see what that's done already? That has changed that from black to red on the background. So that's all the changes I want to make. So I've done 5 changes. We have to click up here to save those changes. And success. All those changes have been saved. Now, click here to exit the postcard editor. And let's see what we got. Now, this is what we created from scratch. Video postcard. Let's view. And let's see how the video plays. Greetings! In this video, I want to cover how to send a virtual Okay, we won't listen to that entire thing, but we see that it works. Now, what about the link here? Click here to visit my recommended income stream. Click on that, and that takes me to the PLS compensation plan video and explanation. So, hey, they can see what kind of income stream I'm recommending and how they can benefit from it. So, there you have it. Oh, pretty simple. We did this in about a little bit over 10 minutes. Now, if I was doing this without explaining it every step of the way, it would be a lot faster. But yeah, that's just one of the tools, one of the additional tools that we get with the Power Lead system. And what I love about this is that in the past, when I wanted to send a video to my team, I would just embed the video in a standard email, and that would look kind of clunky, I thought. Or I would just go ahead and put the video on my personal blog or one of my private blogs and make a blog post featuring that video, and then go ahead and grab that link and send that link out to my team using the standard email campaign option. What I love about the video postcard is that it simplifies the process. All you have to do is just pick out the video you want to use, paste it into your video postcard, and then when you're ready to send it, and this will be the last thing that we'll cover, just click send, and that's going to take you to your autoresponder, subject line. You have a multimedia postcard waiting. That sounds good. This is already set up to automatically say, Dear Ralph, Dear Joe, Dear Jane, whatever. And then, yeah, you're going to be using this domain is your autoresponder campaign. I'm not sure about that, actually. Yep, that's my default. So we're going to leave that at that. And then go ahead and create campaign. And then that's going to take you to your other autoresponder here, where you can click to send it to all of your groups, all of the groups that you have on the Power Lead system. Or we can deselect that and just choose to send it to specific people. For this one, I'm just going to send it to myself. And then click here to send. And then click I've read the terms and conditions and all that. And here I'm sending a whopping 1 email. But of course, you can send this to every person on your list. You can use this to send it to just one person or 1,000, whatever number you have in your autoresponder, whatever number of people you choose. But for this is I'm just going to send it to myself. So click that. And we're done. Success. It's already sent. So you see how easy that makes. Go back to the virtual postcard campaign. But yeah, you can just go ahead and instead of writing blog posts, if you're a blogger, then by all means continue blogging. But if you're not really interested in blogging, you can be sending out daily campaigns to your list using either the standard email campaigns or the video postcards, and you can just kind of mix it up a little bit. But if all you want to do is you've made a video that you like to share to your list, you can easily do that using the virtual postcard option. So if this speaks to you and you'd like to try video postcards, then or virtual postcards, then go ahead and if you're already a member of the Power Lead system, check it out in your back office. If you're not a member of the Power Lead system and you would like to check it out for free for 7 days, just click my link below in the description of this video, and yeah, you can try the Power Lead system out for yourself for 7 days absolutely free. And then if you want to join, just go ahead and keep it, and if you don't want to join, You don't have to. So this is Ralph signing out, wishing you a great day in network marketing and affiliate marketing, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for dropping by.